Now that we have constructed our cost curves, we now want to look at how much the business should produce and when the business might want to shut down. We want to know if we are profitable. So, in a highly competitive market, no business has the ability to set price by themselves. And so, price is set by supply and demand, and each business is a price taker. Now, suppose that for our tote bag business, the price in the market is $10. So we have to decide how many units we're going to produce at a price of $10. So we would look at, for example, at a price of $10, if we were willing to sell 30 tote bags, we can see the extra benefit of selling one more tote bag is $10. The extra cost to sell that tote bag is about $6.50. So here we see the extra benefit, $10, is more than the extra cost of $6.50. And so because the extra benefit is more than the extra cost, we would want to keep doing that and sell more. And so we keep producing more. Now, what if the price was $10 and we were selling 140 units? Well, notice the extra benefit is $10, but the extra cost is more than $14. If the extra cost is more than the extra benefit, we would not want to do it, and so we'd want to produce less. So we stop where price is equal to marginal cost. And so if the price is $10, then the amount that we are willing and able to produce is about 130. We can then determine our total revenue, and total revenue is price times quantity, and we find that the total money our business makes is the $10 per unit times 130 units, which is $1,300. The total revenue is represented by the shaded area that you see here. Okay. Now, when we look at our total revenue, that's how much money is coming in. $1,300 is coming in. But we want to know how much of that money we get to keep. That is, how much profit are we making? To determine our economic profit, we have to look at, if we're producing 130 units, what is the cost to produce those 130 units? So notice here at 130 units, the price we're selling it for is 10, but the per unit cost is about $6.25. So let's shade. Let's change the color here. Okay. And let's shade in that difference between the price that we are selling it for and our per unit cost for those 130 units. So you can see here that we're selling it for 10. The per unit cost is $6.25. We're making $3.75 a unit, and we're selling 130 units. So our economic profit then is equal to 10 minus the 625, and that's 375, times 130, which is $487.50. So we are bringing in $1,300. We are keeping an economic profit just under $500.